Hello, welcome to Regard, Regulatory Guidance for Academic Research of Drugs and Devices. So you've submitted your IDE application to the FDA. We've provided you with a link to a flowchart with the possible responses you might expect to receive from the FDA. So following submission of your IDE, the FDA will acknowledge receipt. Remember, your IDE e-copy must load properly, and if you've sent paper copies, all the paper copies must have been received by the Document Control Center. Generally, you'll receive an email. Be sure to save this email because the date on this email is important as it starts the 30-day review clock. After 30 days in the FDA's hands, the FDA can issue one of the following: full approval if you've heard nothing within 30 days. We recommend that after 30 days, if you've heard nothing, send an email to the person whose name is listed on the acknowledgement, just asking them if your study may proceed or if there's anything else that you need to provide the FDA. They should email you back one way or another if they need any more information. If they issue you a letter, be sure to keep that letter with the approval date, as that marks the active date of your IDE. You could receive an approval with conditions, meaning that there are parts of your study that the FDA had some concerns that you need to address. You'd need to respond to the FDA to have those concerns addressed before beginning that part of your study. And finally, you could receive a disapproval letter. Now, you can respond to the FDA to the disapproval letter if you want further information on the deficiencies in your IDE application. Again, you would need to submit to the DCC any request for a meeting. Keep in mind that if the FDA contacts you within the 30-day review period requesting additional information, it's critical that you quickly respond so that your IDE application can be reviewed within the 30-day period. If you don't respond and the 30-day review period lapses, then the FDA will issue a disapproval. So I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for visiting Regard.